when you talk about complete players, Cristiano Ronaldo is probably that. He's fast, he scores goals, he's got a left foot and a right foot, he's got skills, he can score with his head, he's strong, he plays in every game, so he's durable. There isn't anything, or there's nothing that he can't.
I'm gonna give it to you. And then Cristiano Ronaldo.
The winner is Cristiano Ronaldo.
FIFA men's player is Cristiano Ronaldo.
And the winner is
Cristiano Ronaldo.
And then the substitute, Vasquez, beaten away by Buffon. And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if you pipe up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on there.
Through the old routine.
It's the old familiar result! A special strike from one of the special players. And Portugal have the breakthrough.
Well, it'll be interesting to see the wall played here. Did it stand strong?
Silva, under his spell, brilliant play, Ronaldo! He reigns supreme once more, but a regal contribution from Bernardo Silva in the build-up. And could it be heartbreak for Switzerland? Get worse for Switzerland here. Ronaldo hat-trick hunting. And hat-trick getting! Wonderful! And the celebrations tell you all you need to know about what the Nations League means to these players.
Now Ronaldo, long way out. What a goal! Not too far out for him. On a night when Manchester United had to score, they have scored inside 6 minutes. It's the player from Portugal who has hammered it in here in Porto and hammered Manchester United into an early lead.
Well, stand up, be counted.
Range for many, but for this man, certainly. Oh, what a goal! Certainly! Courtois completely bamboozled. It's 50 for the season for Cristiano Ronaldo. And what a stage to get it.
Oh, Kevin, this ball does everything. It moves on.
Has he got enough for him to get up? No, but he might keep it down.
Here he comes.
Oh, my word! Can you believe the genius of this man? What a hit! David James stood like a statue, and already...
Too far for Ronaldo to think about it. Oh! Absolutely sensational! He went through Almunia, beat for pace. Albert can break. Decent part. Rooney's got some space to his left. Here is Wayne Rooney. Ronaldo's getting up with him. Rooney has found Ronaldo. How about that? How about that? One end of the field to the other. In the blink of an eye, Cristiano Ronaldo scores for the second time on the night. And Manchester United can pack their bags for Rome. Giroud matching in strike for strike. Full back towards Park. Gibbs slips. It's Ji-sung Park. Away goal for Manchester United. A goal that could be worth twice its weight in goal.
Old Trafford, and it's a shame for him. But look at the pace of Ronaldo, able to get it behind.
Back on that, and here's Brown. For Ronaldo! In the 26th minute. His 42nd goal of the season. It's come against Chelsea. It's come in the Champions League final.
Do you think Alex Ferguson feels justified the way he started? The positives are still down.
Carvajal, Ronaldo! Well in front, it's Cristiano Ronaldo!
What a player.
Another goal!
The two Brazilians.
Madrid! Ronaldo nips in, and could well have secured the Champions League yet again for Real. Bernardeschi. Ronaldo! Doing what Ronaldo does. In the second half. Lifted in towards Ronaldo! What a save, Ronaldo on the follow-up. All kinds of appeals.
It's in.
And the referee's given it. Cristiano Ronaldo has done it again. Do the same again and put Juve in front. Is it ever in doubt? The man of the moment, yet again, with another special ice cold moment that could take you.
Two of the stringiest goals you're going to see all season. Rip ball. Ronaldo, he's onside. He's beaten the defence. He draws Valdez. Cristiano Ronaldo with a platinum touch. And is that the goal? But not just silences the can do, but silences Barcelona's chances in the championship.
Well, there's nothing strappy about that goal.
Portugal have the opportunity to take the lead. Cristiano Ronaldo, he's the only Portuguese player to score at 3 different World Cups. It's 1-0 Portugal, and was there ever any doubt? What a start for Portugal. Ronaldo wasn't initially. Ronaldo with the shot, oh, it's gone in! Cristiano Ronaldo gets Portugal's second goal of the night, his second goal of the night, and very much again. It's Ronaldo. He has only gone and done it! Cristiano Ronaldo!
Spanish Cup final. Di Maria. Ball from Marcelo that.
Great cross, header, goal! Cristiano Ronaldo! A magnificent header! Real Madrid with a breakthrough! What a big goal that could turn out to be! No chance of Pinto!
На угловой, счет так и не закончился. Роналду 2-0. 2-0 в 15-й гол Криштиану Роналду. И разделили эти голы всего 1,5 минуты.
Ненадолго он вложил свое второе взятие ворот Криштиану Роналду в этом матче. Ну что ж, обычно комментатор в такой ситуации говорит,
Хорошо. И...
А вот теперь может быть плохо. 1-0. Криштиану Роналду после передачи Дани Карвахаля. Как раз на исходе 15-й минуты Реал забивает свой первый гол в этом матче.
Прошлый удар Роналду был в стенку.
Ох ты! 3-0! Это хэт-трик Криштиану Роналду! Ох, попал так попал!
Как там мяч проскочил, интересно.
Знаешь, вот так...
Oh, but they've given it away again. It's Almeida. It's Ronaldo away. It's Ronaldo. It's another goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. A masterclass here from the two stars. And the momentum swings back. Oh, what a through ball that is. It's Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Superb goal. You just knew it was going to be him. Herrera slotted through again from Almeida. It's Ronaldo this time onto his right foot. And he scores again. A fantastic, phenomenal hat-trick from Cristiano Ronaldo.
Bonucci looking for Ronaldo's run. That's some ball. What about that from Cristiano Ronaldo? Brilliant ball from Leonardo Bonucci. And his first Champions League goal for Juventus is smashed past David De Gea. Typical Ronaldo. Benzema turns. Ronaldo! He's done it again. There's Ozil onside. Chance for an equaliser.